Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to change the background color in Ansys Workbench. When you configure the Ansys Workbench in your system, the first time you will see this type of color of the background. So this is the default color in the Ansys Workbench. So we will see how we can change the background color to white or any other color. So in taskbar, you can see two modules are open here. The first is Workbench and the other is Mechanical. So we will go to Workbench, then go to Tools. We will select Option from here. A new window will appear here. We will click on Appearance from here. Then click on Background Color and select a color from here. You can select any color. As of now, we are selecting white color. Just click on this color and click on OK. Similarly, for the background color, you can choose a color like this. OK. Now just click on OK. Now go to the mechanical and you can see the color of the background is now changed. If you like this video, kindly share this video with your friends and also subscribe my channel for more such important videos. Thanks for watching.